In this quick video, I will show you how to buy Saitama Inu Coin with Coinbase Wallet step by step. So the first step is to go to your Coinbase Wallet and make sure that you have a funds in your Coinbase Wallet. And unfortunately, you cannot buy Saitama Inu Coin directly on Coinbase Wallet, but instead you can use the Uniswap. So you can go to app.uniswap.org, click connect, choose Coinbase, click here, and make sure that you are using Ethereum network. Now click here and type down Saitama. And as you can see, there is two tokens that is showing here. So if you want to choose the right one, you can go to coinmarketcap.com and on the search bar, type down Saitama, click here, and then copy the address. Go back to Uniswap, and then paste the address here. Click here, and then type down the amount of Ethereum you want to swap. So for example, I want to swap 1 Ethereum, and then I will receive this amount of Saitama Inu Coin. Then click here, and the confirmation from Coinbase will pop up. So make sure that you have enough Ethereum in your Coinbase wallet because you're going to use it for the gas fee. Now, once you have paid for the gas fee, go back to your Coinbase wallet and check if you have received the Saitama Inu Coin in your Coinbase wallet. If you have any questions about how to buy Saitama Inu Coin with Coinbase wallet, leave a comment below.